guys, and welcome. You joined me in Chippenham this morning for a 10k PB attempt. So I'm in a village called Langley Burrell this morning to race the I Compete Lightning Bolt 10k, and it's said to be the fastest 10k in the southwest. So I've been here a couple of times this year. This is a series of races. I was here not long after my marathon. I come here as a marshal when I was injured, and again 2 or so months ago I come here and I was part of the I Compete pace team where I was a 60-minute pacer. But today I'm here to race it. I'm on a little bit of a roll at the moment with PBs. 2 weeks ago I managed to get my sub 25k in Poole at the Poole Park Run, and last week I was in Cardiff for the Cardiff Half Marathon, where I also ran a PB. So I thought, why not, while I'm on a roll, why not come here today and give this a go and see if I can actually get a 10k PB too. So yeah, I've not done any specific training for this 10k. Like I say, it's just off the back of some good running recently, and thought I'd just come here really today, try my luck, see if I can get a 10k PB. My current PB is a 44:35, and I ran that another I Compete race, which was the Chippenham longest day 10k back in June. I would say that was a slightly harder course, slightly hillier course than this one here today. And I would also say I'm in a better place with my running. I'm definitely fitter now than I was then. So a PB, I think it's definitely possible this morning. So the plans today, I will be happy if I walk away today with a sub 44, and I will be absolutely over the moon if I can manage a sub 43. Both of those, for me, over a 10k distance is going to require a lot of hard work, but that is kind of where I'm looking at, where I want to be today. And yeah, we're just going to go out, I'm going to give it my all and just see what I can come away with this morning. So I'm just on a little bit of a warm-up. It is very, very chilly this morning. We've got about 15 minutes to go, and I think it's about a 10-minute walk from the car park to the race start line, and I will see you there. So I'm just here at the start line, and there's a 42 pacer and a 45 pacer, so I'm going to start in between the two and yeah, see how we get on.
Best of luck guys, stay safe, have a great race. You're going on the hooter if it works. Brand new.
Alex on the beat.
you after time-wise?
I try to get under 44.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
It's going to be very close at the moment.
Yeah,
I
I
think.
reckon so. Yeah, we're not on the border, I think.
Yeah,
Pretty dangerous out, isn't it?
it is. Yeah.
Well, I can't keep up that route, but well, I can keep up with it.
It's getting my. I just can't get my legs going today.
I was struggling a bit before. Yeah, it might be a kick at this.
Yeah, I'll race you the last K.
Oh god.
So we can push each other on.
Yeah, okay.
Alex on the beat.
Thank you. We done it. Well done.
Just done that.
Oh, guys, the lightning bolt 10k done. They say it's flat, fast, and a PB course. And guys, I've gone and got another PB. The watch has come in at 43.30, but until I have a look at the official results, I don't know for sure. But unbelievable, another PB. 3 weeks in a row now. For these times I'm getting now, for me, time's all relative, but for me, these are kind of next level times now. A sub 25k 3 weeks ago. A sub 1:45 was it at the Cardiff Half Marathon last week, and now a sub 44 10k. Really is unbelievable. And I've been doing nothing special for me, really it's only sort of the last 2 years that progression has really happened within me, and it's been for me consistency, getting out the door regularly, being consistent with it. And if I'm doing some kind of bigger race like a half marathon or a Pacific time, is a proper training plan and sticking to it in hard work. If you put in the hard work, you will see the results. And unbelievable. I just can't believe it's took me 43 years to realise I love running so much. It is absolutely fantastic. And I'll tell you a little secret. I've got some new trainers on, and not just new trainers. For the 5k sub 20 PB, for the Cardiff Half Marathon PB, and today the Lightning Bolt 10k PB, I'm wearing new trainers, new socks, new shorts, and a new top. Same outfit every race, even a new hat. So you could say my lucky outfit. So then guys, the official chip time result is a 43:37. Come on, absolutely made up with that. It is a no frills race, you know, sort of to make it cheaper with everyone, but you can add on a medal. And as I got a PB today, why not? Another one for the collection. But guys, that is it from me today, from the Lightning Bolt 10k. I am next running in 2 weeks time. I have another 10k race booked. That is in Calne at the Clock Change Challenge. It's a local race to me, so looking forward to that. But guys, that is it. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, have a good one, and I will see you on the next one.